This 5-minute solution will show you how to contact with Apple support, get Apple support by call and chat. So if you're having any trouble with your iPhone, just follow these simple steps to get live support from Apple. Go to your App Store and search here Apple support, and all you have to need, just install this app Apple support. Once it's installed, open it. Now here you will get your device, so tap on your device, tap on more, and now from this list select an option. For example, I'm facing trouble with my AirDrop, so I'm going to selecting here AirDrop. And now here you will get two options to get help from Apple. One is direct message or live message, and another is phone call. So select any of them, and here you can start a live chat to get help from Apple. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.